Welcome to English Quizler, where we make learning English fun and exciting. Are you ready for the Spot the Grammar Mistake and Correct the Sentence quiz challenge? Test your grammar skills with 30 quick-fire questions and see if you're a true grammar master. Watch the video till the end and comment your score below. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Can you spot the grammar mistake? The correct sentence is she doesn't like ice cream. What's wrong with this sentence? He goes to school every day. Let's see if you can correct this sentence. They were watching a movie. Can you find the mistake and fix it? It was raining when we left the house. Take a closer look. Can you correct it? The correct sentence is she can sing very well. Can you correct this grammar error? I agree with you is the correct sentence. Something isn't right here. Can you spot it? There are many people in the room. Correct this sentence if you can. He didn't know the answer. See the mistake? Can you correct it? We were late to the meeting. Can you fix the grammar? The correct sentence is she has gone to the store. Try to find the mistake. Ready? I have eaten lunch already. Can you correct this simple error? My father has a new car. Spot the mistake and fix the sentence. She runs every morning is the correct sentence. What's the error? Can you correct it? This is the better option. Here's a tricky one. Can you fix it? He is taller than his brother. Look carefully. Can you correct this? The correct sentence is we didn't go to the park. Something's wrong here. Can you fix it? The information is useful. Can you make it right? She enjoys swimming in the ocean. Try to fix this sentence quickly. He can play the guitar very well. Can you spot and correct the grammar mistake? Each of the students has a laptop. Ready for another? Fix the mistake. I have been living here since 2015. Find the error and make it right. She didn't tell me the truth is the correct sentence. Spot the mistake? Correct it now. They enjoy playing football. Here's a quick one. Can you fix it? We were happy to see her. Fix this common grammar mistake. The correct sentence is the children are playing outside. Something doesn't sound right. Can you fix it? Neither of the answers is correct. Pay attention. Can you correct this? He is married to a doctor. Can you fix the grammar error here? I look forward to meeting you. Time for a quick correction challenge. She is kinder than her sister is the correct sentence. Think fast. Can you fix this sentence? There were fewer people at the event. Time's up. How did you do? Did you smash all 30 questions, or did a few trip you up? Drop your score in the comments and let us know. And if you enjoyed this quiz, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a challenge from English Quizler. Fun quizzes, better English. See you in the next video. Happy quizzing!